Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a degree symbol like 52 degrees, 60 degrees, 70 degrees like that on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a degree symbol on your Microsoft Excel web like 99 degree, 18 degree like that. So for that, if you are just going inside the insert option, there is no option for inserting the degree symbol on your Microsoft Excel web. So I just going to use a keyboard shortcut as an alternative. So the shortcut key was you just want to press Alt key with 0176. Okay, just note this. So for an example, I just going to type 99 degree and 55 degree and 60 degree. Okay, so now after typing 99 degree, just make a space or just press the Alt key and just type as 0176 and just leave the Alt key. It's automatically create 99 degree. The same press the Alt key 0176. So you just want to press the Alt key and type 0176 and leave the Alt key. It automatically the degree symbol will be created. This is how you just insert the degree symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable Microsoft Excel content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.